I felt like I wasn't really losing anything that I was terribly concerned about. Like I felt like I was pretty comfortably in the 1.2s to the 1.4s with the lack of practice that I've been doing recently. That's probably about where I'm going to be with it above the waistband. And, you know, being able to like kind of A/B test that and know like, well, the difference is, you know, I can get just as good of a grip with just the same draw time, but I can walk in a t-shirt in the wind and no one knows I have a gun. Like that's really cool. And especially with, you know, the gun that I was trying out today, I think that's going to be a pretty compelling thing that I'm going to kind of consider switching over to.
Awesome.
But on the shooting side, one thing I thought that was really interesting is because it's small guns, like everything that you can get away with normal size guns, you absolutely can't get away with. So it's fun being in an environment where you are demonstrating and expecting, you know, a reasonable level of performance with guns that a lot of people write off because they're capable of it. You just have to learn to drive them. So
Yep.
from the shooting side, I thought that was great.
It's not the same programming. You can shoot big guns the way that I teach you how to shoot little guns. You cannot shoot little guns the way that everyone teaches how to shoot guns.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate you seeing that side of it. Dude, solid performance, man. You were there was a whole lot of ones on the timer when I was standing behind you. You can rip some nice draws with that setup. It was cool watching you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you, Mitch.